paper 2 we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, in paper 2 part A, part B is there, no? Okay, in this part A especially psychology is there. Okay, in this fourth unit we are going to discuss. Okay, fourth unit, that is the learning topic. Okay, in this learning 1 to 5 topics, 1 to 5 parts we are discussed already in previous videos. Okay, in sixth part we are going to focus on the development of memory. Okay, development of memory we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, in this development of memory, the memory will be developed in these three stages. Okay, that is the first one is the encoding, second one is the storage, okay, third one is the retrieval. Okay, these are the three stages is there for the development of memory. Okay, in this first one, that is the encoding. What is mean by encoding? Means here encoding nothing but the information should be re-getting. Okay, information should be getting from the individual or whatever it may be. Okay, what is there, or it is any way we are getting, we are receiving particular information. Okay, in this encoding means process of getting information. Okay, as the individuals we are receiving or we are getting some information. Okay, that process we are called as the encoding. Okay, ఒక హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఏ విధంగా కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకునేటటువంటి ప్రాసెస్ని ఎన్కోడింగ్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది మనము అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయడం వల్ల కానీ, వినడం వల్ల కానీ, చదవడం వల్ల కానీ, ఓకే, త్రూ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఆర్ త్రూ ద హియరింగ్ ఆర్ త్రూ ద రీడింగ్ or writing, whatever it may be, different ways the information we are getting. Okay, that process we are called as the encoding. Okay, in this encoding having three subtopics. Okay, in this the first one is the acoustic encoding. Okay, this is the acoustic encoding. Second one is the visual encoding. Third one is the semantic encoding. Okay, in this what is mean by acoustic encoding? Means here the acoustic encoding nothing but representation of our memory. Okay, how much memory we are having, okay, in recent memory or recall memory or recovery memory, whatever it may be, what information we are already saving in our mind. Okay, already we are some storage is there in our mind. Okay, that memory should be represented. Okay, that one we are called as the acoustic encoding. Okay, next one, that is the visual encoding. Okay, in this visual encoding what is mean by means here the visual encoding nothing but by visualization. Okay, representation of pictures. Okay, already we are observed. Okay, what you are observed that should be represented by as like pictures. Okay, some drawings we are doing, no? Okay, what are the pictures means some drawing we are having. For example, what is the structure of heart? Okay, already we learn, okay, structure of the heart and the structure having these many characteristics or these many what is that parts. Okay, in heart divided into 4 chambers, 1 to atrium, 2 ventricles. Okay, this is the structure already we have in our memory. Okay, when someone is asking or someone is putting in front of our question what is the structure of heart, immediately you can draw that picture of heart. Means as a students we learn already, we know complete structure of heart. Okay, immediately we are presenting that heart structure, okay, through the drawing. Okay, by drawing the heart structure will be represented and the as like in the form of picture. Okay, that one we are called as the visualize or visual encoding. Okay, next another one, that is the semantic encoding. Okay, in this semantic encoding means representation of meaning. Okay, already we learn or we are giving some clarity, okay, regarding meaning. what is the meaning of particular information. Okay, for example, structure of the heart, drawing of a heart structure, that is the visual encoding. Okay, already we are having a heart structure in our memory, okay, by reading or by observing or by listening. This one we are called as the acoustic memory or acoustic encoding. Okay, next last one, that is the semantic encoding. Okay, in this semantic encoding means meaning of information. Okay, what is the meaning of memory means, for example, functions of heart is there, no? Okay, we are giving some structure and we are giving some functions of heart. What is the function of heart? Heart is pumping blood to the all over the body through the systemic circulation. Okay, this is the meaning regarding memory. Okay, means what you are having is any situation that means represented by the memory means acoustic encoding, represented by the pictures means that is the visual encoding, represented by the meaning means that we are called as the semantic encoding. Okay, these are the developmental types in the first one. Next, second one, that is the storage. Okay, in this storage what happens, what is meant by storage means here the storage is given by the, or the storage explanation also called as the what is that models, memory models. Okay, in this memory models is given by the Richard Shifrin and Norman. Okay, these are the persons he is explain memory models. Okay, in this first one, that is the sensory register. Okay, first one, that is the sensory register. Second one is the short term memory. Okay, third one is the long term memory. Okay, in this sensory register what happens? Okay, in this sensory register nothing but visual pattern. When we will see, okay, when we will see an objective, immediately we are identified. Okay, this is the, okay, for example, when we will see one animal, that is the dog. Okay, and another animal, that is the cat. Okay, we are easily differentiate, no, this is dog, this is cat. How means we are having some memory. Okay, in the presence of memory capacity, in the presence of mental capacity of the human being should be differentiate. Okay, this animal is the dog, this animal is the cat. Okay, this is the human beings. Like that we are differentiate depending upon the capacity of the human beings. Okay, next another one, that is the short term memory. Okay, in this short term memory what happens means the incidents or the information remembering or within short period. Okay, within short period few separate or the piece of information means within short period, within seconds we are remembered particular information. Okay, and easily forgetting chance also there for this. For example, when we will traveling with the bus, okay, we will identify some trees, some animals, some human beings or some sounds. Okay, within short period we also that one will be forgetting. Is it right? Yes. Okay, we are not అంటే మనం ఒకసారి బస్సులో జర్నీ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఎక్కువగా ట్రీస్ కనపడుతూ ఉంటాయి, పక్షులు, సౌండ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ఇవి విన్నయన్నీ మనము అలాగే లాంగ్ టర్మ్ మెమొరీలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటున్నామా? నో, షార్ట్ టర్మ్ మెమొరీ జస్ట్ చూస్తాం, వదిలేస్తుంటాం. ఓహో, ఇక్కడ చెట్లు ఉన్నాయా, ఇక్కడ జంతువులు ఉన్నాయా అనే విధంగా జస్ట్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద థింక్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద షార్ట్ టర్మ్ మెమొరీ. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద లాంగ్ టర్మ్ మెమొరీ. Okay, in this long term memory here what happens means that lengthy periods of time. Okay, the memory should be having throughout the life, prolonged period. Okay, long time we are having this type of memory. Okay, for example, in previous videos already I have given some example, that is the blackboard example, no? Okay, this is the blackboard. Okay, we are already identified in previous days in childhood stage also. Okay, in LKG, UKG also the blackboard is used for the teaching, okay, by the teacher. Okay, in JNM first year also the blackboard is useful for the teaching. Yes, is it right? అంటే మనము చిన్నప్పుడు ఎల్కేజీ యూకేజీ చదువుకునేటప్పుడు 1వ తరగతి 2వ తరగతి చదువుకునేటప్పుడు ఈ బ్లాక్ బోర్డు ఒక టీచర్ చేత చదువు చెప్పడానికి ఉపయోగించబడింది, అవునా? అదేవిధంగా ఇప్పుడు బీఎస్సీ నర్సింగ్, జిఎన్ఎం నర్సింగ్, ఓకే, ఇలా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇంటర్మీడియట్, ఓకే, ఈ కోర్సెస్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కూడా ఈ యొక్క బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ అనేది దేనికోసం ఉపయోగపడుతుంది? టీచర్కి ఒక బ్యాక్ బోన్ లాంటిది. ఓకే, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ బోర్డు పైన రాయడానికి, బోర్డు పైన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి, స్టూడెంట్స్ క్లారిటీ ఇవ్వడం కోసం ఈ బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్? ఎస్. Through the visualization, the students will be easily identified by using this blackboard. Okay, this is the main purpose. From childhood stage onwards, this will be there. Okay, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు పెద్దగా అవుతుంటే ఉంది. ఎప్పుడో ఎల్కేజీ యూకేజీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనము ఏం చేసినాం? ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం, అవునా? ఏబిసిడీలు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అన్నీ రాయగలుగుతాం, చదవగలుగుతాం, చెప్పగలుగుతాం. Means we are having long term memory regarding that particular information. Okay, when we are having a memory regarding particular information prolonged time or lengthy period or long time, that we are called as the long term memory. Okay, for example, in our parents, okay, in a childhood stage before birth, okay, in a fetal stage also we are identified our parents. Yes, after birth, okay, from the fetal stage to death stage onwards, we are having some relationship mother and children. Yes, once the mother is giving to the birth to their children, the mother and children's relationship cannot change. అవునా? అమ్మ నాన్న అనేవాళ్ళు మనకి ఫ్యూచర్లో చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నారా? లేదు. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, పెద్ద అయిన వాళ్ళు అంతే, అవునా? Means permanent memories, long time. Okay, our memories, our memory capacity should be regarding particular information, long time we are remembering. That one we are called as the long term memory. Okay, next another one, that is the retrovial. Okay, in this retrovial nothing but regaining. Okay, in this regaining we are having that information or permanently storaged memories. Okay, in this permanently storaged memories we are called as this retrovival. Okay, for example, here previously learned phone numbers. Okay, we have already learned our phone numbers, or we have already learned some names. Okay, our friends names. Okay, in childhood stage we are having some friends. Okay, what is their name? Okay, after marriage, after children's, after long time we are remembering that our childhood stage friend name. Yes, how we are identified means in the presence of retrovial memory. Okay, this is regarding development of memories.